if there was one message that you wanted to get out to someone who this is the first time they're hearing about Hiawatha Homes, what would that be?
Just remember this: we are an organization of people serving people, right? We want to serve our community. We want to make their living in the community as easy as possible, right? They are part of the community. They are part of our society. For so long, people with disabilities have been relegated to a side. We want them to know that they are not second-class people.
Yeah.
They're people. So
That's right.
we treat them like that, with respect. And I mean, it's great to see them every single day, working with them, being with them. So, I mean, if you can volunteer with us, if you can come to our events, or you can just go and visit them, that's great.